By now, we all must have heard about vitamin C serums. So, vitamin C serums is something which a lot of people are using without even realizing how it helps their skin, and sometimes it can even damage if used not correctly. So, today's topic is all about correct usage, what exactly vitamin C serum is. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kaur, a dermatologist and a trichologist with wide experience in treating skin and hair disorders. So today's topic is vitamin C serums. So what is vitamin C serum? So it's just the vitamin C that we all know, the good orange juice, which has a lot of antioxidants in it. But when it's packed in a topical formulation, it's called as vitamin C serum. So it's just the orange juice that you drink to keep your body healthy. But once it's used topically on the face, it comes in different formulas, then it's called as vitamin C serum. So what are the uses of vitamin C serum? Like I said, it's good for collagen induction, that is anti-aging skin. Pigmentation, if you're battling dark spots or melasma, it will help with that as well. Acne prone skin, it helps in reducing the inflammation and reducing the size of the acne. And also it helps in antioxidant protection, that is your sunscreen's efficiency is much more improved. Just make sure that you apply your vitamin C serum before your sunscreen so that the efficacy of sunscreen is also amplified. So you will end up with much better sun protection if you have applied your vitamin C serum before the sunscreen. Other than that, if you're using some other formula in the daytime, you can even use it at night time for repair purpose and healing purpose of the skin. The active percentage of vitamin C in the serum, you should look for that, whether it's 1%, 2% or 15 to 20%. I personally like 20% a lot, but sometimes your skin can take 2 to 3 months to get there, to build the threshold for 20%. So you can start maybe with a 10% formulation, 5% formulation, and gradually increase the concentration. A very important point while using the vitamin C serum is to make sure that the packaging is appropriate. As vitamin C oxidizes and is a very unstable ingredient, it should be always made sure that it comes in a dark bottle or in a stable form, that the vehicle which is delivering the vitamin C is actually putting the vitamin C inside your skin, just not topically on the face, which is oxidized. That can even harm your skin. Sometimes it can lead to collagen breakdown and even accelerate your aging process and even darken the hyperpigmented spots. While you are using your topical vitamin C serum correctly and the right product, make sure that you are taking vitamin C orally as well, in the form of fresh fruits, citrus fruits, orange juices, lemons, because vitamin C not only helps good skin but at the same time is very important for well-being of your natural body. So do make sure that your diet is good and has lots of antioxidants, especially vitamin C in it. I hope you like this video. Do follow and subscribe us.